All right, for line work, we have a good array of protective equipment. We're working on energized lines. We can work directly on high voltage up to about 36,000 volts. That's the highest rating for any of this protective cover that we have. First line of defense for protective cover includes what we put on our hands. These are rubber gloves. And we have rubber gloves. They're different ratings. All this stuff has a rating, has a class. Lowest voltage is actually is double aught, has an aught. We don't use that much in this field. Class 1 is about our lowest. Class 1 glove would be a 1,000 volt use. Class 2 is 7,500 volts. We have Class 3s, which is what these are, 26,000 volts. Then we have Class 4s that are 36,000. That's the highest voltage we have. These rubber gloves, we want to test these and check them every day. We have leather covers on them. The leather protects from damage when we're actually working. The rubber is pretty soft. What we have to do is take our glove out. We want to do a visual inspection. Look for any holes, cuts, or tears in it. Any kind of damage that might be on the glove. We're going to look between the fingers and the ends of the fingers. All it takes for this glove to fail is a small cut or a pinhole. This would be about it. We'll roll the cuff and look for damage. Because the inside's red, the outside's black, so we have a small cut, it should show the different color. If you see that, the glove's unusable, we'll take it out of service. Roll that. Another thing we look for is corona checking or corona damage, which some of the ozone and stuff from the lines could actually damage the rubber on the glove. We'll do that. Once we do a good inspection, we can pull them wrong side out. We do wash them, help keep them clean, and we also do an air test. We do an air test on our gloves. We can use a pump like this. Sometimes just roll the cuff out in the field. We may not have a tester like this, but what we can do is put our glove on the air test, tie it on, and we'll add a little pressure to the glove, and when it's aired up, we'll check for leaks. We just kind of basically look, listen, and feel for air leaks. They catch a small pinhole or something that's not readily seen. This is what we look for. May help open up a cut or something like that too. So as long as our gloves are supposed to do this every day before use, and anytime you think you might have damaged it, you take these things out and check them out because they are our front line of defense from electrical contact. Our cover's back on. These gloves also are required to have a dielectric test every 6 months or so.